Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about custom IAM policy. Okay, so and we will also learn how to control access at detailed level, like denying the access to specific files inside an S3 bucket. Okay, using ARN, Amazon Resource Names. So first of all, here custom IAM policy is nothing but it is a user defined permission that allows you to control access to specific AWS resources like IAM users, groups or roles. Unlike managed policies, like it is created by AWS, right? So custom policy is also created by us to match your exact permission needs. Go to the S3 and click on that. Create one bucket. Okay, give the bucket name. I am giving policy demo bucket. Okay, just to create by using of default settings. Okay, this is saying already it's have taken. Just give any number and just created bucket. Okay, I successfully created the bucket. Now we will upload 3 sample files into this bucket, and later we will write a custom policy that allows access to file.txt, file2.txt, but it should be denied file3. Okay, we will write the custom policy. So I have successfully uploaded the 3 files. Okay, now we will create an IAM user. IAM users are individual identities that can be given to the specific permissions using policies. We will create a user to test our custom policy. Just give the username here. Okay, just click on this checkbox and I want to create an IAM user. Give the custom password and if you scroll down, just click on uncheck. I don't want to reset the password while this IAM user is going to log in. Okay, just click on next and create user. We haven't attached any permissions here, and download this .csv file. It will be useful later. Okay, now we will create a custom IAM policy which gives us full control over AWS permissions. Okay, just to select the service here, I am selecting S3 as a service. Okay, here what actions can be performed on specific resources. Okay, just to select on list, we are going to give the get and put and list objects. Okay, these are the permissions I am giving. Select get object here. Here in the right we are giving the put object. Okay, here we will write ARN also, Amazon resource name. Okay, give the bucket name whatever we have created and add ARN. Next we need to add object ARN. If you specify star here, it will allow all the objects inside the bucket. Okay, just save the changes. Name the policy here. I am giving a HEMO policy and just create the policy. Okay, so now we will attach this policy to IAM user. Okay, just click on this user and go to add permissions. Click on add permissions and select the policy whatever we have created. Go to attach policies. Okay, customer managed. This, you can select this and attach it to the user. So now our IAM user has specific permissions to interact with the S3 bucket, right? Yeah, this is our custom policy. It is going to list all the operations what we are going to perform. Okay, here S3 get object, put object and S3 list object. We have selected 3, right? And we have uploaded 3 files into the bucket. I just want to deny the file 3. Okay, so here select S3. I am just going to deny it. Okay, get object, we cannot able to download that file 3. So I am just going to deny it. Okay, just select read and give the get object. Okay, and next give ARN, Amazon resource name. Okay, it's a full ARN. We have to specify the path also. I'm just selecting this bucket and give the object name what you should not access it. Okay, I'm specifying here file3.txt and add ARN. Okay, just to save the changes. Okay, we have successfully given denied. File 3 is denied. Okay, if you observe here, this is the one more field added. S3 object, get object is denied. We cannot able to download that file 3. By using of this console login, we will log in as a IAM user and will check what actions we will perform. Okay, by using of that IAM user, give the username here and give the password also, whatever we have created, and just click on sign in. Okay, so we are in IAM user. Go to S3 and just in search box gives S3. Okay, just click on it and we can able to see the bucket here. Okay, it is saying access denied. So once go to that policy, we have created a custom policy, right? Just to click on that and we will check the permissions here. Okay, so okay, once go to click on this edit. Here, go to here and check S3. I'm going to list all my buckets. Okay, just to save the changes and once again go to IAM user and check. Now we will able to see that bucket or not. Okay, it means that we can able to see the all the buckets inside S3. Okay, so just to refresh it, we can able to see the bucket, right? So we are in IAM user, we can able to view the bucket. So just open this bucket and try to open it or download. We can able to see what actions we can be performed here. Okay, here I am downloading a file .txt. See, we can able to download it, right? And try to download file 2.txt also. So it is also successfully downloaded. So I'm going to give a try for this file 3.txt. We'll see what we will get. So it is showing access denied. Why? Because we have allowed only file.txt and file 2.txt. This file 3.txt is we have given it's denied. It means that we cannot able to download that object. So this file 3 we cannot open it and we cannot able to download it. Why? Because due to explicit deny in the policy. Okay, and file.txt and file2.txt is successfully downloaded. I'm trying to add one more file into this bucket. Okay, just I am uploading one file. You can see here. See here, I am successfully uploaded the bucket, right? bucket1.txt. We are an IAM user. So it means that we can able to upload it and we can able to download except this file3.txt. If you find this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye bye.